State Law 12. Can barbers and cosmetologists work in the same salon? Yes, which would be really fun. It would be awesome to have barbers and cosmetologists working in the same salon. So it used to be you had to have a divider up between them. No more. Who may instruct apprentices? Well, it's a cosmetologist who owns a salon, and I'm going to skip down here, they have their teacher's license. So because they have their teacher's license, they would have to have a 12th grade education. And how old do you have to be to get your teacher's license? 18. 18 plus 5 years experience means that they have to be 23 years old. It all makes sense. So a cosmetologist that owns their own salon, has their teacher's license, which gives them their 12th grade education, which makes them 18 plus 5 years equals 23. Can you use part of your shop for any other purpose? No, including your restroom and your laundry. I keep forgetting to ask Mrs. Schaefer this. I did not have 2 laundries in my house when I had my beauty shop running. I don't know. It's not a bad idea, because then you keep all your hairy towels in one laundry area and you do your normal stuff, your clothes and things in another laundry area. It's just kind of tough to buy 2 washers, 2 dryers, etc. Before using a cape, 3 things can go underneath the cape. Neck strip, which we call the Sanik, that's the brand name, or a cotton towel, that's our black towels that we use. And then the one that I always forget, which is amazing, is the paper towel. So that would be our wubbies that we have, and we have tons of wubbies here. So if you want to do a haircut and you don't want that bulkiness of the cotton towel, you can wrap a paper towel around their neck and then put the cape on, and it will stay much better than a Sanik, and you don't have to replace it. You don't have to get rid of that towel before you cut hair. If you cut hair with a big bulky cotton towel underneath the cape, it's going to distort the way the hair lays, and you're going to end up with a crooked haircut. An employer who employs apprentices must submit a form to the board and submit quarterly hours. So just the same as being a teacher in a school, you have to do all the same things. When are quarterly reports due? January, April, July, and October 15th. So just start at the beginning of the year, January, February, March, 15 days later. April, May, June, 15 days later. July, August, September, 15 days later. October, November, December, 15 days later. What type of curriculum is there for an apprentice? The exact same as used by a cosmetology school. Nothing's different. How do you qualify to be an apprentice? Well, you got to apply for that apprentice permit. Just like if you want to learn how to drive, you have to go get your driver's permit. Do you have to have a restroom, or as they say, a lavatory? Yes. Okay, so if you see the word lavatory, don't let that confuse you either. It's not a word that we use much around here, just means restroom.